Hi, imagine your bank account growing while you geek out on crypto, no matter who you are or where you're at. That's Enjoy Cryptocurrency, your shot at financial freedom. We're showing off real people cashing in big on hot crypto projects. These aren't just numbers, they're proof you can turn hustle into serious money. Race, age, or location doesn't matter, crypto's cheering you on. We're spilling the tea on the best projects paying out and exactly how you can stack that cash. Ready to light up your income and make money anywhere? Jump into today's game changing project with Enjoy Cryptocurrency. Don't just dream, grab your wealth. I'm stoked to share a project that's got my crypto senses tingling, Kaito. It's not just awesome, it could also land you $1,000 to $2,000 just for creating content you probably already love making. Let's unpack why Kaito feels like a big deal and how you can jump in, keeping it real and human. What is Kaito? Picture this: a tool that cuts through the noise of X posts and serves up clear, colorful infographics showing what's trending in crypto and who's steering the conversation. That's Kaito, an AI powered platform that tracks engagement data from X, making it super easy for you, me, and even big projects to see what's hot. It's like a crypto hype radar, showing how creators and projects rank in the attention game. How Kato rewards you. What gets me excited is how Kato rewards you for your killer content. Its mindshare portal lives off the posts and replies we share, but it's not about racking up likes. Kato uses smart followers, think veteran creators or high rep folks who engage with quality stuff, to spot valuable content. When they vibe with your posts, Kato's AI gives you a thumbs up for quality. That thumbs up comes as yaps, Kato's reward system that's like a high five for your best work. Posts or replies that spark real engagement with smart followers earn you yaps. And here's the fun part: those yaps can be swapped for Kaito tokens during distribution phases. It's like turning your crypto passion into something you can cash in, making a noisy space feel rewarding. As someone who geeks out over crypto chats, this feels like a dream gig, getting paid to do what I love. How to get started. So, how do you get started? It's simple, like grabbing coffee with a friend. One, first you'll need an X account. Easy, just sign up on X's website. Two, then head to Kaito's Yaps platform and create an account. Okay, once you're in, check out the pre-TGE dashboard. It's your guide highlighting projects perfect for content creation. Start posting about those projects, but keep it real, no spamming. Share insights or hot takes that add value. Pro tip: visit the Mindshare leaderboard, follow top creators, and drop thoughtful replies to their posts. Engaging with the pros can boost your visibility and rack up more yaps. The more you create, the more yaps you'll collect, and those could turn into Kaito tokens later. Why Kaito feels different. Kaito feels built for us, creators, dreamers, crypto nerds. It's a chance to make your voice pay off, literally, in a fresh, fair way. I've seen tons of projects, but Kato's got that special spark. Stay consistent, keep posting, and watch those yaps stack up. It's not just the cash, though $1,000, $2,000 is sweet. It's about joining a community that values you. I'm already dreaming of the stories we'll share about the content we made and tokens we earned. Final words. Ready to dive in? Sign up, start yapping, and let's make something epic. I'm cheering you on. This could be huge. Let's shake up the crypto world, but you can find all the links you will need in the description below. Subscribe for more life-changing opportunities like this one.